Hey guys, it's been a while and I have a package. Yay! First and foremost, we have to you know, you don't want people seeing what goes on. Okay, so I can't wait. Finally have new clothes, new wardrobe. So here's the story of my online shopping experience. Not clickbait. So originally the plan was to buy some stuff from Brandy Melville, but then we always had an error with Brandy Melville. They say okay whenever we paid and we already checked out, they always send back an email that, oh sorry, we couldn't send you your order, so never got to. I was so upset on the second time round when we ordered because I really liked the butterfly tank and I really wanted to get it, but I just couldn't. But I got stuff. So in this haul I'll be getting 2 dresses from Lulus. They're pretty dresses and they're pretty dresses and quite pricey as well. The total is like 100 plus from Lulus. And then I got stuff from Nasty Gal because couldn't get stuff from like Brandy. So Nasty Gal, I got you. Let's get into this package. Thumbnail. Okay, can't wait for my dresses. My wardrobe is like so freaking outdated. This is the only nice part of my wardrobe, apparently, like the most aesthetic. I have a bomber jacket from Cotton On, and this is a denim jacket from Zara, and this is a velvet hoodie, oh my god, so bougie, I know, haha, from Topshop, and this is a furry jacket from Uniqlo, and this is my Fila hoodie. Yep, so this is the only cute part, I think, if you minus this. But like this is the dress. I rarely wear that dress and have turtlenecks and then yes, what is that? This is such an old dress, I don't even wear it. And this is my all too favorite outfit that I just stole from a mannequin, cough cough. And this is also a skirt. I did not, yes. And that's my wardrobe. So I got 2 pairs. They're so pretty. They come with a bag too. Thank you, Grishko. Yeah, my go-to point shoes at the moment is like Grishko. I need to buy leotards, but not. And then I got this. I got, these are elastics for the bands. And then I bought a bag for my precious pointy shoe. Grishko is a Russian brand and I adore Russian ballerinas a lot. I adore ballerinas. I adore ballerinas everywhere. Just saying. Then I got this bag. Quite basic, but I need to update this at least. This is so old. I mean, it's still functional. So that's my order from Grishko. Oh, all of this is like from the US. I ordered from the US, so it took quite some time. What is this? Such a small package, but like cute. Okay. Looks so sketchy. Oh, the post office. I bet they like opened my stuff up because procedures. Oh, these are from Lulus. Oh god. Oh my god. Okay, so from Lulus, I picked up these dresses all by myself. So pat on the back for me. I don't know what was that. Look. Okay, so Lulus, please sponsor me. I'm all the way here in Brunei. I really wish you'd sponsor me. I've seen like this company sponsor a lot of YouTubers that I watch, and it's like, I don't know, maybe one day I'll get sponsorship. Oh, look, so pretty. Oh. I just hope they fit nicely though. Look at this. My room is gonna be such a mess. So I got this dress from Lulus. Oh, it's a, what dress is this again? Skater dress. It's a skater dress because I'm a skater girl. Just kidding, I'm not. But like, look at it. It's so pretty. I mean, it's pretty. No words. No, nothing. You cannot change my mind. This is pretty. This is pretty. And then this is another dress. It's like formal because I need good dresses. I can see why Lulus are like, I mean, the dresses are kind of basic now. Like the material, the quality is kind of good. Like, what do I expect? I'm not good at fashion and like judging things because I generally just go for, oh, it's good, it's alright with me. Wow, this is totally like a Chinese New Year dress, but like I'll wear it for any occasion. So pretty. Do I look funny in this lighting? I hope I don't. I hope I don't look like a ghost. Okay. Should I switch on the light? But like natural lighting. But like, okay, never mind. So we're gonna try these dresses later on. I'm just gonna continue on with the haul. Might like put, yeah. So those are two dresses from Lulus. So let's go. We got, this is a settle the score crop top and pants set. Now you know I am quite a conservative girl. So if you ever see me wearing this, which I have to because it's expensive, it's not like this is free. So if you see me wearing this, please give your sister a, you know, compliment or something. I don't know. Whoa, this is a short crop top, but like, look, it's gonna be showing the belly. But anyways, my mom picked this out and she has a good eye for fashion, so I'll probably look nice in these. I hope these are like high-waisted. They probably are. Nice. I like the color. I love the color. So my size, I'm an S, so this is a US 2. Oh, I am a size 2, but I am a size 2. I am a size 2. I'm just dragging this video on longer than what it needs to be with all my blabbing. Oh my god, I finally got a knit sweater. Is this a good angle for my face? I don't know. I don't want y'all to see my imperfections. My skin's not doing so well at the moment, but it's not so bad, so thank you. Next. I'm confused. What is this? What is this? This is from Nasty Gal. Is it not from because of the tag, like the brand tag. Hey guys, so this is the brand that I like, the thing that I like about Brandy's clothing. It's the cute heart. It's like so aesthetic. Totally my thing. I bought it in Thailand. So yep, just wanted to show you guys. It's very cute. Kind of like why I will continue to shop there. I'm a young girl anyway, so I have to shop there before I get old. And this is another top. It's a blouse. Oh. Yeah. I like seeing tags like this. Okay, you know I've been focusing on the tag. Yeah, like that. So this is another blouse. Next. Thank you. Next. I cannot stop thinking about, like, whenever I say thank you, next. It's always, I always go back to Ariana. Now for the dresses. I ordered more dresses from Nasty Gal because this is a midi dress and it's so cute. Obviously I don't have the guts to wear sleeveless like this. I will wear like long sleeve, you know, something like this, but like without this, not this, obviously. And then I will like layer this on top. It's just gonna be cute. Nasty Gal is way more cheaper than Lulus, FYI. Lulus is like a luxury, I don't know, premium clothing, because only 2 dresses and it's like already 100 plus. But like Nasty Gal can get 5 to 6 things and it's like 100 plus. The bill is 100 plus. Okay, a few imperfections here and there, but I don't care. These are dresses and I picked out this dress, and then this is another dress. It's another midi dress. I wonder that means. I think midi means knee length. And this one, have to actually tie it. And then, okay, what? I wasn't expecting that. I thought it was like built in, like from the picture, but I still like it nonetheless. Nevertheless, nonetheless. Yay! Okay, I really like it. Nasty Gal. I'm not sure if this is cotton. I hope it is cotton. Okay. And for the last item, a belt. Because my jeans they keep like slipping down, and that ain't cool, sister. Sister ain't here for jeans slipping down. So here it is. It's a faux stay together faux leather belt, one side. Okay, sorry for this. Okay, I look so stupid. I thought it was gonna look fine. Alright, so this is the dress. Sorry for this weird part because like my shirt, oops, because my shirt here is a long t-shirt, so I swear I'm not gonna go out like this because it's not gonna look cute. Not bad. I don't think it's gonna look that great with the top. I think it look better like sleeveless like this. And yeah, what do y'all think? Okay guys, so wait, let me just tuck down, make it look a bit nicer, I guess. But what do y'all think? I think it's kind of cute. Okay. But yeah, I like the dress. It has cute little pockets. It's just nice. So in the like website, the model wears this without anything under. But I know I can't do that in Brunei. Like, I don't have the guts to do that in Brunei. So don't know how else am I gonna style this in the future, but I know my mom, she's gonna find a way. That because this is not that way. Oh, okay, this one looks fine too. Wearing the blouse like this seems fine as well. Not bad, right? Okay, I clearly did not tie this properly. It's got cuffed sleeves and I didn't tie this properly, so if it's tied properly, it'll probably look nicer than this. Yeah. So just like a cool fashion statement. You know what I'm saying? No. Okay. Next thing is the sweater. It's a bit stretchy, like I don't know what is going on. It is a knit sweater after all. So let's see. Okay. Let's see. So sketchy. It's not. It didn't have the Nasty Gal tag. I'm confused. Fine. How do I look? Probably so freaking weird because it's not styled with like jeans and all that. What the heck? What the heck is this? I don't like what? Okay, it's supposed to be a casual look, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, alright, see the dress for yourselves, I guess. I'm using my sports bra underneath, so I really hope you can totally see myself wearing this every single day. Me modeling. Oh my god, such a pretty dress. Okay, the last outfit. So revealing. Make me feel fat. Look, this is my sports bra and this is the crop top. I am not. I don't know, y'all. Look, it's my fat on the pants. They're a bit too long. Oh god, look. Wait, can y'all see? They're a bit too long. They're a bit too long. This is short as the crop top. I am willing to go for this. Only this. Alright. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening to my TED Talk.